When I was a child back then, I really loved playing larong kalye. As far as I remember, I was one of the boys who plays shato, agawan base, patintero, sipa or katso in Bicol term, and so many more. But my most favorite is tumbang preso. For those who do not know, it is a very simple game that only requires an empty can and a piece of sleeper, wherein a can will serve as the target and the sleeper will be the instrument to hit the target. But
air and domestic sea travel to and from Metro Manila shall be suspended beginning March 15, 2020 and to end on April 14, 2020.
now that this pandemic hits our country, which is the Philippines, a lot of things changed. We cannot even go outside and do things we used to, and our schooling has been affected by this virus. It also resulted to not be able to actively participate students to a group sporting and physical school activities. So as a candidate for the name of school, amidst pandemic, my advocacy is to lead individuals in understanding and giving value of sportsmanship indefinitely. Why? Because sportsmanship is an idea that we must have anytime and any kind of situation. An idea that must be learned by heart. Now is the perfect time for us to play tumbang preso by means of facing our present situation, a can that symbolizes our goal, the prisoner that stands for pandemic, we as players, and the sleepers which stands for our fights, hope, and faith. The happenings yesterday may easily change everything and made us suffer. Still, we have today to start and build possibility to get through it. It was complicated, yet let's make it simple. Let us lead and be the leaders of change, unity, camaraderie, sportsmanship, and integrity. You'll never know what you're capable of until you take the first to just go for it. I lead, we lead. Again, this is Wilma Flores, Bachelor of Elementary Education, representing the juniors.